Hello, everyone. It's Phantom Night back with Wildfires. Today is the season finale of season 2 of Rainbow. So let's get a move on. Yes, I know those who watch this Raid World series are going to be kind of sad due to. Will we need him?
Let's take them. Do you want them?
No.
Okay, let's
Uh,
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Help! I'm stuck!
Stand there. Stand there.
Uh, oh, okay, fuck. There we go.
Yeah, there we go. We got it. Honestly, for right now, we don't need them, I
So
could.
let's drop him off here.
But we could use them to feed a lizard.
Yes, sacrifice. Oh, is that a lizard up ahead? Oh, wait, fuck. There's two.
Okay.
And one's trying to kill us from the other side.
Resituate ourselves. Well, their spit thing. Okay, be careful. There's warm grass here. You want me to pick you up?
Yeah. I think it's safe if you just take me. And he's coming back.
I see a friend.
I think he's the hostile one.
Maybe which one is our friend?
I'm willing to bet they're both hostile. Yep, hostile.
He's hostile. The other one isn't, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, fuck.
So let's let them fight. We can leave them. We don't need Kerma Lizards as our friend right now.
What are you doing?
I wonder if I could make you food craft, but I don't know.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, that was way too close. I accidentally threw you. He's alive!
Yeah, but I think he's bleeding.
Give me
Okay.
that spear. Oh my...
You killed me.
Dude. And he's on top of me! Gosh, I did not want to do that.
Well, great. I'm gonna miss out on this.
Do you want me to kill myself?
No, let's just.
We don't need to worry about karma anymore, so...
No, let's just proceed. I'll just use your controller when we get to the final area. Okay?
Yeah. There will be a point where the game will automatically
Bring me back to life. Wait, did you kill it? Nope, it's still alive. Oh, I think it's dead now. Yeah, it's dead now, I believe.
He's dead. We're going out.
I'm probably gonna lay down here and fall asleep, Logan, if you leave, and I'll see you later, but you stay up until late tonight and all.
Okay.
Okay, we're starting to reach. This is giving me industrial complex vibes. Wait, my body.
Wait. Wait. I might be dead. I might be dead. Oh, you're dead, actually. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Okay, you just want to carry me. Vic,
You,
oh wait,
wait.
Logan, we're going back to our hibernation chamber.
Yeah, we weren't that far. I mean, yeah. Once we get to, we're gonna head a different direction from that direction that we were going.
Yeah,
But
because
if I keep this jump layout,
we should be safe.
yeah, we can go that direction.
Never mind, there's a caramel lizard.
Better not kill me because of that. Pissed.
Are those two fighting each other? And did we kill it?
Should. You can go first. Oh my gosh! What is this?
Yeah, looks like we're going the opposite direction.
Some free extra food pips.
Yeah, it looks like they're coming our way. You think this way is safer?
We'll see. That was so funny.
Yeah.
So let me check. That wasn't me. So, can you grab these and eat them? Okay, stop. Alright, what you eat? Look at that. But
That's so beautiful. How are we gonna cross that?
can you hold one and eat? Okay, stop holding one.
Okay, but which way do we go? Up?
Okay, that's beautiful.
Wait, we're climbing it?
We might have to go down this way. Wait, are we actually here? Wait, no, we're not here yet.
I'm confused. Where are we going? Wait, is
Do we
this?
take this hibernation?
We might as well.
Okay.
I'm guessing just continue going straight west. Is that what I'm hearing? Just continue going west. Okay. Try not to get killed. What the fuck?
Hold Y. Okay, stop. Okay. Hold. Okay, stop
What?
holding Y. You just made a hazer. Alright. Hold
Uh,
Y. Okay. You want to see what a hazer does?
sure.
Apparently, you've seen it before.
Uh,
But it's basically like a squid where everything just sprays.
which will distract our enemies. Wait,
Oh, I remember something. Oh,
what?
okay. Let me pick. No, no, go up, go up, go up. What is happening? Okay.
I'm just gonna. There we go.
Why isn't it not letting me pick you up?
Okay,
Okay.
let's just.
Okay, go this way and hit up. Hit up and climb this. Oh my gosh, I can't climb today.
Same.
Oh my gosh. We're inside of each other.
Okay,
Okay, go up, go up.
wait.
You're
I
gonna
think I
have
have an idea.
you're gonna have to wall jump. Wall jump and then
Are you getting attacked?
there's green leeches in here.
Fuck. I swear. I sure. Yeah, help me.
Oh, it's not you. Okay.
What's going on? How did it not kill me?
I threw at the wall. I know what's on you. Okay.
Wait, what's on me?
The green leeches. Yeah, you're just gonna have to be careful.
Just go for his portal? I mean, tunnel?
yeah. Ho, 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 ho. Oh my gosh.
You want me to wait here?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Are they gonna fight each other?
Stay here, stay here, stay here. We're gonna fight.
So far? Wait, are we losing food? Wait, why did we lose food?
Go,
Go
go,
down, go
go,
down.
go, go, go. Stay here.
Oh wait, fuck. I went through.
I'm caught. I'm caught.
Wait, no. Help me. Help me.
Okay.
Help me. Help me. Wait, you can snatch me from the two blue lizards.
I'm here, bucko.
You killed me.
In the process of saving you.
So I'm guessing we're gonna have to take this way.
Yes, we are taking this way.
Wait, worm lizards. Blue lizard.
Oh, I was about to say you eat them, but these green leeches are being. These green leeches are actually being.
Wait, did you get them off?
We're here. Okay.
Wait, what do we need here? Is there any more of them weird worm plant?
Hibernation.
Wait, we don't have enough food though.
We will if we're up here. Whoa.
Wait, what happened?
Dead.
Was there a worm lizard there? Wait, was there a worm plant?
Okay. 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 Listen. I don't.
Wait, you leaving me behind?
No, I accidentally went through. Alright,
And grab my fucking body.
there we go. I have to do something and it's gonna suck.
So you're just gonna leave my body there? Wait, what are you gonna do?
Okay, here's two options. We do a cycle where we go this way, where we go hungry, or I can move ahead and get more food, but
Wait. Yeah, we might as well go hungry this one cycle. So that way I can be alive again. Wait, what?
you're alive.
Oh, since also it brought me back to life, which increased our food, right?
Oh, the food in our thing.
What thing?
The food in our place, we used it. That makes so much sense. Okay, I'm gonna carry you because underwater sucks.
Yeah, and you know I am not that good.
I know underwater is your most weakness.
Definitely.
Nearly died. Nearly drowned.
Okay.
You see my head shaking a lot?
Yeah.
This is how close I came from drowning.
So far, it's peaceful.
Okay, I'm gonna give you stuff to eat. Here you go. Take these. Here you go. I'm surprised how much of our food thing we've done. Okay, we're not home free. We're almost home free. No, you're not doing that.
Wait, more worm plants?
I'm gonna have to do it. Oh my gosh, no.
Wait,
I did it. I did it. I did it.
was that?
Oh my gosh, you remember when I showed you the thing with the
Yeah.
slug pup? I did it to you.
Thank goodness I left.
Do we have to go up? Can we go down?
It didn't matter.
Okay. Here's something we can do. I missed. Get him! Ow.
Wait,
Oh my god. That is such an event. That is an eternity event, bruh. Alright.
yeah, or I'm gonna leave. Man, I wish I could store your body within Gourmand.
Tell me I can do this. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if you can. I think you have to go down.
Never mind.
Where are you? Oh, you're already there.
Wait, that's better that we went down.
Because we would have had to fight that.
Okay, we might have to. Still. Ow. Okay, I might be dead the rest of this thing, but
But all that really matters is my character being alive at the end. Okay, no, we didn't have to fight anything. Uh, nope, nope, we're not fighting that fucking thing. We're for sure as hell not fighting that. We don't know if that thing could crawl underwater or not. Is there any other way around?
you're freaking kidding me.
Wait, it's going in there. Wait, did he go through? Wait, no. Fuck, run, run, run.
Wait.
It dragged your body.
Gosh, of course. Okay, let's.
Wait,
We're gonna have to do those swimming things again.
I'm guessing for the rest of this, we don't really need to worry about karma.
Yeah, we don't need karma. Karma is nothing right now. I guess technically, once we made it into Subterranean, we didn't need to worry about karma. Okay.
But what sucks is that we have to do all that over again.
Wasn't that bad. It could have been worse.
Yeah, but no, that took forever.
Kill. I'm.
Your body was dragged underneath.
Oh my. I was like trying to reprocess what happened there. So
And I was thankfully reminding you that your body was dragged underneath by them worm plants.
don't mind me. Okay, here you go.
Well, thankfully that did not kill you.
Oh wait. No. I like how I'm just able to give you.
Yeah, since I'm the only one that can eat.
I guess this may be a time to try wall jumping, but wait, never mind. We're not doing
I just like how our strategy is. If I can't fucking do it, just assist me wherever possible. Till I can learn how to do it.
that. He's there again.
The worm lizard?
The drop wig.
Okay, you just want me to stay here? You want me to come over there?
There you go. Yeah, come now.
Uh, what do you want me to do?
That. I don't ever remember a blue lizard.
Being there?
Yeah. Okay. Can you eat this? Good. Wait, I can do that. Eat this. Okay, we're almost home free.
Let's try not to die like last time.
Now that I'm here, I can actually kill it. Or pin it to the wall. And we don't have green leeches. There is something.
Okay, so wait, is that the?
That's a scavenger.
Oh, so
Hey, Scav. Yeah.
wait, is that after us?
Okay, okay, okay.
Wait, we home free now?
Never mind, didn't want to kill you. Okay. Jump off me and grab yourself a jump Leo.
Okay.
Spam jump.
Go back. Wait, it's after us, it's after us. Wait, did you kill it? I think it retreated.
Hold up. Stay here. Stay here.
Okay. Yeah, I retreat.
Is it leaving? Okay. Let's go. Oh wait, this is dead. Oh my gosh. Alright.
You want me to wait?
I threw that so far. Alright, follow. This is hard.
May I ask why?
Um, it's just weird. Oh, you have that.
Yeah,
Frick you.
fuck you too.
Follow me.
That scared me.
Okay, just go right. Just go up, right. Just spam up, right, up, right, up, right.
Uh,
Okay,
I think I'm stuck.
right there. Alright, do that. Do that for this. And then just go up, left, up, left, up, left, up, right, up, right. Okay, I'm gonna give you the camera.
Yeah, because I'm stuck.
Okay, you went up.
Okay. Yeah, this where it's fucked. Just keep moving. I'm not trying to die here. What the?
That's not us?
Who went down?
Okay, can I pick you up?
Sure.
We don't need a jump Leo anymore.
Oh, from?
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, did we grab onto a vine?
Yeah.
Okay, for a second I thought something
We're on a
else.
vine and we're climbing it.
Sometimes this game scares me.
Okay.
Because, yeah, this is beautiful.
Once we go up,
Wait, what's up here now? I'm confused. What do we need to do here?
you guys are. Look at this background. The thumbnail.
Yeah, but
And we jump down.
wait, that's all we needed to come up here for?
Look at this. We're on the side that does
Yeah, but who went down there?
the slug cat.
Wait, baby one?
Nope.
How much time do we have left?
I've never seen this hibernation spot. Do you want to take the hibernation spot?
Yeah, sure. How do we get up there?
How did you do it and not me?
Oh no. Sorry, want me to do it for you?
You are not gonna do that for me. I was about to say you're not giving me. Okay.
Giving you lesson advices.
Yeah, that's my job.
Imagine how funny it would be. No, we need to turn this into a YouTube short about how it almost became master and how our rules almost reversed.
Yeah.
That would be funny as fuck.
Hey, that was the last hibernation of this episode. Once we get to a spot, I'm gonna let you carry me.
Okay, but I'm guessing we're home free.
Pretty much. Just got one traversing into it. But we get to see more periods.
Okay, so just drop down and go this way, or what?
Journey's ended. Cycle 24. Journey's end. Wait, is that what the sub-region is called?
Yeah, just go down. Oh. Okay, so which way do I go? This way?
Down, just down, as far down as you can.
Is that a centipede?
Take that. Don't go there, go there.
No, I'm talking. Look.
These.
I am not fighting that.
Never mind. What the heck?
What was the centipede doing down there for?
Okay.
And oh, but it looks like one of your controllers died.
It just wasn't on. Okay, now I'm not dead, but I didn't like that there was a centipede there. That size actually killed.
Okay, so
We're doing the same thing.
but you won't carry me this time, so you're not dead. I'm gonna die.
I feel like you're better at this. You're just
Yeah.
amazing.
I mean, all it took is like a few episodes, and I'm starting to improve. Let's just pray that centipede isn't there again. Why was a centipede down there? I thought they don't spawn. Wait,
I have spears, so
you gotta be fucking kidding me. We have to go there, and it's being carted by a goddamn centipede.
you're about to get electrocuted. Wait. Oh. The hit plus. Oh my gosh, these centipedes spawn camp too much.
That's absolute bullshit.
No way to stop. Why we died the most in this.
Yeah. You want to carry me again?
Yeah, there's no way. I like how we take this part of hibernation.
Yeah, and not where we just first slept.
Slept walk over there.
But still, why was a centipede there?
So I say.
I thought we were home free.
I thought we were too.
And it's there again.
No, that's a scavenger.
Ah, thank goodness.
Hey, Scap, take these spears. And
Wait, did it throw a rock at us?
yeah.
Oh, we're going back.
Next. Okay.
Why'd you throw that up there?
Don't know. But
Well, okay, well, I'm just gonna continue on, okay?
alright.
Since we probably don't have any more enemies to deal with.
Yeah.
So do we go down or up?
We go right. Follow me. Left. Hold up. Hold. And then jump this way. Good.
Almost died there.
Almost. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright. Because you wanna pick me up?
Yeah, sure. On the other side, I'll pick you up.
Yeah. I think it's the game will automatically move you. So
So just keep
is the
moving.
game auto moving you? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I'm not in control anymore. Why is it moving you ahead of me?
Because I'm technically faster, but
Oh wait, more slug cats?
yep, there are more.
Wait, we about to meet Elder Slug Cat?
This this is the tree. If you remember from Survivor, this is the tree that they lived in.
Oh.
Yeah,
Well, I'm guessing this is like the end of season 2.
yeah. This is the final cutscene.
How do I skip it? Oh, figured it out.
Oh, you shouldn't have skipped it, but it's alright.
Yeah, I was about to say we can watch the cutscene on YouTube.
Alright, you can hit plus to skip the credits.
Well, that was the end of season 2.
Hold up. It's giving the score.
Okay?
10 deaths total?
You think we died a lot more times than that?
Yeah. All the kills. 4 pink, blue, 5 blue, 3 white, 2 orange, 1 caramel. Me 5 times.
Well, me one time.
Mm-hmm. Survivor.
Yep.
No, wait. We got 762 points.
Yep.
Alright. We'll end it off there.
I hope to see you all next time in season 3.